Hello, I am Daniel and this is my Enhancement 6 assignment. So first of all, I'm going um, to my login page and I will log in as a level 1 user. So press on login and this is my admin page. I'll validate the HTML. As you can see here, it's a valid HTML. Also validate the CSS. CSS validated. This is a level 1. I cannot see the products here, down here, and I will try to access the products page through the URL. And as you can see, I was driven to the home page. I will log out, and now I will log in as a admin. Log in. As you can see here, I'm a level 3, and I can access the products page here. Try to access here, so I can add a new category, add a new product. I'm going to log out and also try to go to the products. As you can see, cannot go to the products. So that's it. Thank you so much, and see ya.